just a quick overview. This is our intake to the pump right here. We come out of the pump, we have our pressure gauge, we have our differential, we have our orifice plate, which provides a reading to our differential pressure switch, which gives us a flow reading. We come into the top of the heater, then we go down the heater, we come out, we go back up, and what we're doing is we're coming out to this cooling skid right here. And so we're going in right here to our cooling skid, and then we go to this three-way valve. And that valve determines whether we're gonna come right back out into our return and back to the suction of our pump, or we're gonna go into our heat exchanger right here and then into our return line. So we're gonna be showing you the functionality of that mostly, is this right here. We're at 400 degrees. If I hit this twice, you can see our heating percentage is 11%. Our cooling percentage is 0, because we're just maintaining 400 degrees. How our cooling skid is hooked up is with this plug right here. Just to show you the plug. There it is, you got the two tabs right there. But it just plugs in right here. Here's our wires, and it goes up to our controller. Right here, you can see that wire, it's just laying right here. It's on the insulation, so we don't have to worry about it burning through. Also at the top of our heater chamber is a line that goes to our expansion tank with this valve that'll be normally closed, but it's open when you're filling or you're trying to get air out of the system. We're coming out. You see we have a bleeder right here. We come around and in, and we also have a bleeder right here at our return line so we could get air out of this skid right here. You can see right now we're at 0. When I lower our set point, it's gonna go into cooling and we're gonna go to 100%, and then it'll back off from there as it gets closer and closer. Now, I'm gonna lower our set point, and he's gonna show you that dial move. Now you can see our dial moved. We're now going through this exchanger with our coolant going through that. And I'm sure it's showing our temperature going down. As you can see, our temperature is going down. I got it set at 302. Probably gonna take it down to 250. You can see we're backing off. We're probably at 5% or so. Might even be 0 now. All right, you can see we're at 246. Now just to modulate the valve, I'm gonna change this from auto to manual. And then I'm gonna go to 50%. That's us at 50%.